2020. Apart from it, I am founder of 𝗕𝗵𝗱𝗵𝗵𝗶 where we give startups access to European markets. We started that thing in 2022. Apart, also I am the founder of 𝗕𝗫𝗱𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗏 where we have a community of 30 cities pan India, starting from Agartala to Rajasthan, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu. We have a presence there, and we have partnered with 5 states: Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra. And yes, what is it? So today I am going to say about the TRL and MRL. What is TRL? There is no penalty for any wrong answer, remember it. And yes, you guys can bluff, I am ready to accept it. Right, what is TRL? Technology. And what is MRL? So अभी ये इसको आप देखने वाला आपको समझ what is the difference? Try करो, you try it. What is the difference? Any guesses? You guys are from which background? BTech, MCA, BCA, MBA?
BTech and diploma.
BTech diploma. Okay. If anyone will try to answer it and it will be close to me, obviously I will offer him an internship in one of the startups in IIT. That's a promise from my end. बताओ, try करो. Promise. Tell me, try it. Try. There is no penalty. Try करो. मैं समझाऊंगा, मैं आगे समझा दूंगा, but try तो करो.
You have an internship offer right now.
Yes.
Try for it.
Yes, बोलो.
टेक्नोलॉजी में समथिंग हो गया, मतलब कुछ ऐसे इनोवेशन जो हम सोच सकते हैं और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना, जैसे कि मतलब कोई आइडिया हमारे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना, डेली लाइफ में जो भी प्रॉब्लम होगा उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना.
What is your branch?
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स.
कौन सा डिग्री?
यस सर, डिप्लोमा बीटेक.
बीटेक करोगे ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री में करोगे इंटर्नशिप?
यस सर.
श्योर ना? कल आज शाम को तुम्हारा सीवी लगूंगा, कल आके ज्वाइन करना. आईआईटी भुवनेश्वर आरपी में है, सृष्टि के पीछे एक स्टार्टअप है आर्कन मोटर्स. बस जाके बोल सकते हैं, सर ने बोला है कि मुझे इंटर्नशिप करना है डिग्री. सर आपका नाम?
रंजन है.
रंजन? हाँ. सर प्लीज सेंड योर सीवी. It's a promise and I will tell you. So what the thing is that all the technology are not manufacturable, manufacture ready. I can invent a technology, I can make a technology, but I need to check it out. Is the technology manufacture ready or not? What is manufacture ready? Is it industrial consumable or not? बहुत बड़ा टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छे मार्केट रे जोटे लोक माने इन्वेंट करछन्ते किंतु सेटा मैन्युफैक्चर हेइनी because there are certain limitations into it. हमें प्लास्टिक इलेक्ट्रिक कार केबे आसला, फर्स्ट केबे आसला. Here I am not committing any internship. इलेक्ट्रिक कार केबे आसला, कब आया था इलेक्ट्रिक कार? टेस्ला नहीं, उससे पहले गूगल भी कर सकते हो. I think 1908, 100 साल पहले. The electric car, the technology what we are looking in today's date, it is a 100-year-old technology. But at that time the market is not ready to accept it. Now the market is ready, so the manufacturer had increased the number of industry developed products, and so it is MRL ready. Manufacturer readiness level. At this bit, पहले अगर हम लोग गए होते हैं, हम लोग का सिस्टम नहीं था बनाने के लिए. So we are not manufacture ready at the time. So at the time the MRL would be 1 or 2, but the TRL will be 6. I'll come down to it. So this TRL things which had come out, the technology readiness level, it started with the process from NASA. When NASA and USA and USSR had a competition, who will land in moon first? Neil Armstrong, everyone knows about it, right? So they started building up this technology readiness level. Why? ठीक है, रॉकेट तो बना लिया, भेज तो दिए, अभी वापस आएगा नहीं आएगा पता नहीं, टेक्नोलॉजी है या नहीं पता नहीं. So you need to find out how much we are ready in the technology level. बोल तो देंगे, कहानी तो सुनाने के लोगों को जबरदस्ती भेज भी देंगे, वो तो जिंदा आएगा नहीं आएगा, जिंदा रहेगा नहीं रहेगा, उसका पैरामीटर्स क्या क्या होना चाहिए टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए. they will be check it up. What is the technology readiness level? And then slowly it started going towards commercialization and adopted in a globally system. Why? The investors started accepting it as a parameter. Government also started using it as a parameter to fund in the grants. The TRL level had been divided into three parameters. First, 1, 2, 3, that is the research of concept. You have an idea, you started making it up, आपने बना लिया. Suppose I am going for a samosa shop. Everyone knows about 𝗕𝗏𝗃𝗃? 𝗕𝗏𝗃𝗃, there is a sir, let's miss. let's see. I'll learn. 𝗕𝗏𝗃𝗃?
Yes, sir.
जो सुनता तो स्टार्टअप है इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट तो सुनता तो पीरो हो गए 80% तो पीरो हो गए बाय डिफॉल्ट थिंग. So there is a organization called 𝗕𝗏𝗃𝗃. It was started by a young guy. I think 21 years or 22 years के बंदे ने स्टार्ट किया था. And very 4 साल या 5 साल में I think he minted something $100 million. 𝗕𝗏𝗃𝗃. तो सोचो आप में से किसी एक ने सोचा कि चलो मैं चाय दुकान बनाऊंगा. तो चाय दुकान बनाने से पहले आपका आइडिया हो गया, रेडी हो गया, ठीक है मैं चाय दुकान बनाऊंगा. एंड यू स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग अ प्रूफ ऑफ कांसेप्ट. क्या प्रूफ ऑफ कांसेप्ट? पहले चाय बना के सर लोगों को पिलाओगे. चाय में चीनी डाले हो, नमक डाले हो, चाय बना, दैट इज प्रूफ ऑफ कांसेप्ट. मींस सर से हां भाई तो चाय बना सकता है. देन यू गो फॉर द वैलिडेशन प्रोटोटाइपिंग. मैं 10 लोगों के लिए चाय बना सकता हूं, नहीं बना सकता हूं. कितना टाइम में चाय बना के फ्लास्क में रखूंगा, वो टेस्ट रहेगा नहीं रहेगा. आफ्टर इट विल गो फॉर द मार्केट डिप्लॉयमेंट. लोग यहाँ पे चाय पिएंगे, कॉफी पिएंगे, एंड मैं कितना मैसिव स्केल में बना सकता हूं. So this is how the TRL level goes on. I will not be explaining, rather I will ask Ma'am to share this PPT with you guys, so that you can see that this is what ideation stage, technology concept, मैं चाय बना सकता हूँ, नहीं बना सकता हूँ. Experimental proof, चाय बना के मैंने सर को पिलाया, सर को नमकीन लगा, मीठा लगा, या सर का तबीयत खराब हो गया. Proof of concept validated, then technology validates, फिर हम लोग उसको validate के कितना टाइम ठंडा रख सकते हैं. Technology validated in relevant environment. मैं चाय तो बना लिया बट कस्टमर नहीं आ रहा है, 3 घंटे तक रखना है, कैसा है उसके बाद टेस्ट किया है. टेक्नोलॉजी डेमोंस्ट्रेशन रिलेवेंट एनवायरनमेंट. मैं कप में मिट्टी का कप में दूंगा, कप में प्लास्टिक पेपर कप में दूंगा, वैरायटीज ऑफ थिंग. देन इन डिफिकल्ट एनवायरनमेंट, ऑपरेशनल एनवायरनमेंट कैसा रहेगा अगर हवा आ रहा है, बारिश हो रहा है, सर्दी हो रहा है, गर्मी हो रहा है. देन सिस्टम कॉम्पिटेंट क्वालिफाइड एक्चुअल सिस्टम्स. इट्स डैम इजी. बस जब रियलिटी में आप करना शुरू करोगे it is a bit difficult. The same thing can be replicated twice also. Now think about making a drone. If you will be coming to the EV company, you will realize how many patents they have created and what are the motors they are making. They are making the axle flux motor, which is being used by BMW in India till date. None of the companies are using the axle flux motors till date. Even though axle flux motor अभी तक Indian company का कार कोई बनाया नहीं है. Those guys are making it. सर okay, this is how the matrix goes on, the maturity level and the technical maturity. It is not mandatory if the technical maturity or the TRL level will be high and will be saying that product will be manufacturer ready. आगे पता है धीरे धीरे. Why TRL matters to startups? Since I come from a startup background, हम लोग ये हर स्टार्टअप्स को बताते हैं why the TRL level. When I will be, suppose you are a startup and you are seeking a fund or you are seeking a grant and you are asking me, sir I have made these things. Okay, instead of asking you तुम्हारा prototype है, POC है, MVP है, I'll ask what is your TRL level. You'll be saying, sir my TRL level is 6. Technology demonstrated in relevant environment. So I know, okay, fine. इसको seed grant हम लोग देंगे, and we will wait for 6 months to get his market viable product. आपको बताना नहीं पड़ेगा कि मैं POC कर रहा हूँ, सर मैं आइडिया सोच रहा हूँ, नहीं बताना है. If you come with an idea और सर मेरा एक स्टार्टअप है, मैं कर क्या TRL लेवल है? सर TRL लेवल 2. टेक्नोलॉजी कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर्मुलेटेड. आपने बस आइडिया बनाया, टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर्मुलेट किया हो कि मैं ये बनाने वाला हूँ, इसके लिए ये रॉ मटेरियल्स पे रेडी कर चुका हूँ. You have not yet made any POC. That is reason. Aligns R&D with market expectations. Sometimes you know what happens in Bhubaneswar and the market in Bangalore. When you interact with a person in Bangalore, he will say, "I have made this product." The same guy will say in Bhubaneswar, "I have made this product." But when the expectation, they both combine, the expectation mismatches. In Bangalore, he says according to his competitor. In Bhubaneswar, he says according to his competitors. The competition are different in different regions, so the TRM level varies. Here again, the align or R&D with the market expectation differs. That's the reason when you go for a collaboration, it will ought to fail if you are not in same line. अभी आप लोग को समझ में इतना नहीं आएगा, but धीरे धीरे आप लोग समझ जाओगे. When you guys are not in the same pitch or same pace, there will be differences happens. How? Suppose you are thinking about train lines. या गाड़ी चला रहे हो ना, बाएं का पहिया आपका स्पीड चलेगा, दाएं का पहिया स्लो चलेगा, तो क्या होगा? It is ought to happen an accident. This happens when the technology collaboration or co-founder collaboration happens. And excellence in go-to-market strategy. When we are going for the second level, series level of funding, आप देख रहे हो ना, Shark Tank देखा ना? कौन Shark Tank देखा नहीं है? Shark Tank, अरे जहाँ मिस्टर ग्रोवर जी आके गालियाँ देते हैं लोगों को, देखो यार YouTube में मारकर देखो, बहुत अच्छी चीज आती है. No, I am really thankful to Shark Tank because जब मैं स्टार्टअप किया था 10 साल पहले, my mom used to say, अरे बेटा कर क्या रहा है पता नहीं, जॉब छोड़ के आ जाए, जब मार्केटिंग कर रहा है, जब जेल करके स्टार्टअप, तो वो लोग गालियाँ देते थे. Then after the Shark Tank came on, she was really हाँ ये जो टीवी में जो होता है ना, बंदे से बात करते तेरा बेटा ये करता है. So I really remember the Shark Tank kind of thing. So then what happens? They can take a call. Are we going for the series funds where we'll be giving more money for the growth structure? Means go to market. आगे कभी होगा मैं आपको समझाऊंगा. But next time we'll be coming, we'll be telling you what is go to market. Okay. Now we are coming for the manufacturing readiness level. The way he said, is the technology ready for manufacturing? The beautiful example I will give you. Had anyone seen the cars, the European cars, and the difference between European cars and Indian cars? आप लोगों को देखे होंगे ना? अभी तो कार देखे होंगे ना? इंडिया में जो कार ऑटोमेटिक स्टीयरिंग, ऑटोमेटेड drift control, automatic shock absorbers. These are the things which have been in the Indo for last 15 years. 15 साल पहले इन लोगों के पास था. But why we have not accepted? That the technology is in the world, it is available to everyone. But manufacturing ready, why it is not being manufactured? Our road condition is not up to the mark. We are not ready for the high speed transition. अभी भी आप देख रहे हो ना, एक्सप्रेसवे में गाड़ी जाता है, लोग भाग के चला जाता है. When you will be at a speed of 120 km/h, in a single second you will be going some 10 meters. वो बंदा 2 स्टेप लगाएगा, आप 20 मीटर पहुंच जाओगे. You will not able to, then you will not be able to calculate how fast that vehicle is coming, and that accident will happen. I am just trying to give you this example. Though we had the technology, we are ready with the technology, but we are not ready for the manufacturing because the market is not ready. These are small cases which we want to go. We want to see. There is a beautiful case study 10 years back we had seen. In 2011. अभी आप लोग स्मार्टफोन यूज कर रहे हो ना? At a time, one of my friend was in an NGO and he was working in Koraput. So Koraput is a mining area. Vedant जहाँ पे बन रहा है, सिक्किम पेपर में जहाँ पे बन रहा है, people have money. They bought vehicles. They bought mobile phones also. But in 2010, there was no connectivity. Mobile phone, cell phone connectivity in Koraput area is too less. हम लोग अगर भुवनेश्वर में सेल फोन खरीद रहे हैं, आज का डेट में भी 5G हम लोग को नहीं मिलता है ठीक से. Think about 15 years back. Internet is very limited. Think about that calling also very limited. In Koraput तो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? They have the technology available. ऐसा है मोबाइल खरीद लो. करते क्या थे? गाना सुनते थे. पेन ड्राइव डालो, जो SD कार्ड डालो, गाना सुनो. So there we can say that is what we are trying to. We are TRL level is 6. This you have the mobile phone, I have the mobile phone. But is the mobile phone ready for you guys? No. So there we need to take the call on the while TRL focus on technology maturity, MRL focus on the production maturity. Are we ready for the production? That is the question. This is a data specific example. Now coming to the MRL. Same TRL have 9 structures, MRL have 10. MRL 1 to 10, MRL have 10 structures. It's a similar like first three is the ideation phase, second 3 is the basic demonstration phase, last 4 is the production phase. Why this 10th? The 10th had been added late. Almost everyone should have heard about this sigma, 6 sigma. सब सुने होंगे ना? क्या है? बताओ, ट्राई करो। अरे कोई पैराडाइम नहीं है। What is 6 sigma? गूगल तो होगा ना? अरे गूगल देखो, आप लोग कभी भी गूगल निकाल के देखो। चैटजीपीटी में है ना? गूगल सब मिल जाता है। परस्पेक्टिव चैटजीपीटी सब मिलता है। The error in 1 in 1 million. 10 लाख में एक error. That is what we try to define as a 6 sigma. Okay? So here in the 10th one, it shows how optimized our production level is. Full rate production of lean and stable process. मैं 10 रुपया लगा के 10 समोसा बना सकता हूँ. You know, it's by the example we are going to the tea stall. मैं 10 रुपया खर्चा करके 10 मिनट में 10 कप चाय बना सकता हूँ. If I am going to the optimized process, मैं 9 रुपया खर्चा करके 10 कप बना सकता हूँ, 6 रुपये बना सकता हूँ. That is what the last point manufacturing readiness level defines. See, these are all very simple things. Once you start working on it, if he goes to that Apple Motors and he joins work there for 1 month, he will come down and tell you how those guys are working. With a team of 14-15 guys, how they are working and how they are building the EV from scratch. They are building everything.